decades, we have been taking pictures from the air, looking at the planet from way up high for that many years. And I mean not just to look at it, but really study it. Millions of pixels in detail. It changes something in you. From several miles up, you can actually see where the horizon meets the sky. You come to know the land in this unique way, and we get the best seats in the house. We hope our customers benefit from the time we've spent on our craft, our time in the industry, our amazing dedicated employees, but most of all, we hope they come to trust our perspective. Aero-Graphics started in 1965 flying natural gas pipelines, and we were mostly drafters at that time. And over the years, we eventually got into the more sophisticated aerial mapping, started doing photogrammetry, eventually got into LiDAR, and now we are where we are today, which is almost 40 employees and flying with 4 aircraft and flying all over the western United States.
Our people are dedicated, and the most amazing thing about them is how creative and adaptable they are to the environment and the challenges that we put before them. And what they're good at is coming together and collaborating and finding the best way to bring home the best solution for our customers.
Aero-Graphics has several different industries that we support. Primarily, we're looking at federal, state, local government entities, along with engineering companies, mining companies, and the energy sector we're involved with as well.
Well, the thing that's unique about Aero-Graphics really is that we're a small company, but we have the equipment and the expertise of a large company. We own our own aircraft, so we don't rely on subcontractors to get a project flown. We control our own schedule. We control the workflow. We don't have to wait for resources to line up. We can mobilize to a project right away.
I've worked with Aero-Graphics for quite a long time, and one of the big reasons I go back to Aero-Graphics time and time again is the people. All the way from Stan Francis, who was the founding principal, to his sons and their sales managers. Aero-Graphics can speak our language. My language is surveying and engineering. Aero-Graphics knows what the engineers need, and they know how to work hand in hand with the surveyors. Together we form a powerful team.
If I have a project that needs aerial imagery or aerial survey, Aero-Graphics is my first call. There's really no one else in the business that I go to. They're very consistent. I know what they're going to give me. I know how I'm going to use it. I know how I'm going to be able to present it. And so that's why they're my first call.
One of the reasons why Northwest Pipeline has used Aero-Graphics since the 60s is the reliability. They have always come through on their promise, on their schedules, and again on their budget.
First of all, they're very easy to work with, and having had the contract with them for so long, they're very familiar with all of our locations, all of the stockpiles. The reason we do aerial volume surveys as often as we do is because we don't want to have huge discrepancies between book and survey tons. In other words, we don't want to make huge adjustments because of the cost of fuel that can amount to millions of dollars. Power plants, companies, they don't like surprises. When we do these quarterly surveys, we can catch the discrepancies while they're small, and that's the value in what Aero-Graphics does for us.
Something that I really like about Aero-Graphics is they are always on the edge of the technology. They're always a step or two above, and they really get it when it comes to geomatics. They understand predefined projections better than most people, and that's a skill a lot of companies don't have. I've looked at other competitors that provide similar services, Aero-Graphics, and I don't even bother anymore. I know that they're going to give me the best deal.
There's a variety of technologies that we're exposed to every day in this industry, and it's not the technology that matters, it's how you marry that technology with the right perspective and the right eyes that see that technology for what it is, and be able to translate that technology into product or a service that can change people's lives.
As a marketing coordinator, I wish I could show potential clients that there is more than just data and numbers. It's the way we build relationships with our clients and the way we treat our clients. In the end, it's the relationship that matters most to us. We're able to draw on all of the years of experience that we've had to tailor and customize these solutions for our clients.
We've invested hours and money into making sure that our process is foolproof. When you get work from Aero-Graphics, it's going to be done right the first time. It's going to be done on schedule, and it's going to be done with a great deal of care. Customers have come to trust our perspective. They know that we perform good work. They know that we're experts. They know that we are professional and that we take great pride in what we do. And that's what makes us unique.